Good morning, students. How are you all? We have already learnt vertical method of subtraction. Here we will do the textual exercise. Okay? See, how do we do vertical method of subtraction? Here number 7 is given. Just after number 7, below the 7 number 4 is written and answer will be in the third box. So shall we start it? Okay. See, number 7. Here number 7 is given. So what do we do here? First we will do 7 circles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 minus 4 is given. So how do we do it? We will cut 4 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is how many remaining? How many circles are left here? 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is 3. We will be writing here 3. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Okay. Now we will see the next number. 6 minus 1 equal to. So what do we do here? We will draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what do we do here now? We will cut 1 circle. Now count how many circles are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. Now see third one. 3 minus 0. Students, when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be itself. So here 3 minus 0. 0 means nothing. So we will not subtract nothing from 3. So we will be draw 3 number here. Okay. And we will not subtract anything. So how many circles will be remain here? The number itself 3. Okay. Now see D. Here 3 minus 2. How do we do it? Shall we draw circles? Okay. 1, 2 and 3. From 3 numbers, which number we will have to minus here? Minus means subtraction. So, how many numbers we will subtract here? 2. 1 and 2. So, how many circles will be remain here? Only 1. So, the answer will be 1. Okay. Now, see the next one. 5 minus 5. See. We will draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what do we do here? 5 minus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be, what will be the answer, students? How many circles are left here now? No circles, 0 circles. So 5 minus 5 equal to, here we will be writing 0. Now see the next one, F. 9 minus 6. First we will draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 6. So we will cut 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now students, see how many circles are remain here. Shall we count it? 1, 2, 3. Here 3 circles left. So the answer is 3. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. The answer will be 3. See students, where are we writing the answer? Just below the second number. Here the first number is 9, second number is 6 and just below the second number we are writing the answer. Now see the next one. 8 minus 2. For 8 minus 2, what we will be doing here? We will draw the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 2. So we will cut 2 circles. Now how many circles remains here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer will be 6. The answer will be 6. Okay. Now see the next one. 6 minus 4. We will draw here 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now students, what we will do here? We will cut 4 circles because 4 number we have to minus 4. We have to do minus 4. So we will cut 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many circles are left here? 2. 1 and 2. So the answer will be 2. The answer will be 2. Okay. Now see here which number is given here? 4. So what do we do here? We will take 4 circles. 1 and 2, 3, 4. From 4 circle, how many numbers we will cut here? 2. So we will cut 2 circles here. Now how many circles are left here? 1, 2. So the answer will be 2. Now students see 9 minus 3. What we will be doing here? We will draw 9 circles. Okay students, see now 9 minus 3. How do we do this sum? 9 minus 3. First we will draw 9 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 minus 3 we will cut 3 circle. 1, 2 and 3. So how many circles are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 6. Okay. So this is your textual exercise. You will have to do this exercise in your textbook. Okay students. Okay, bye and take care. And if you don't understand, we will do it again. Okay. Okay then, bye.